Welcome back everyone. Today I will unbox and make a quick review of these Naenka Lite wireless earphones. They were kindly sent to us by manufacturer and they want to know what we think about their product. Here's the back of the box with some key information. Let's open it up and we'll see what's included. The packaging seems more for the female audience, but neither the case or earphones are pink. They are in a glossy white color. Looks like you can use this as a gift to your significant other. There's nothing much to see here, only nicely packaged earphones and some accessories. Let's see what do we have here. A Type-C USB cable, always nice to see this being used, not some old micro USB. I like the option that I can charge all my devices with only one charger. Here's the manual, nothing really important. The controls are simple and intuitive. And here are the earphones. There is charging indicator on the front. The lid snaps in place. Earphones are held in place with magnets. Also, the lid is fixed in place in the same way, so you never lose any of the components. I have used them for a week, and I have made some conclusions in this time. They feel nice and solid in my hands, and fit perfectly in my ears. Even my dummy head had a chance to take a listen. He usually listens to some classic tunes and jazz. For the price, which is $40, I consider them a great value. They are very well made, there are no sharp edges on them or the case, they have a protective mesh not to clog them. Also, they have a battery-friendly Bluetooth 5.0 connection, which works about 10 to 15 meters from my phone, with no dropouts. They have a 13mm driver, and it outputs very high volumes. You can definitely feel the bass. Frequency response is not flat, they have a slight increase in bass. Also, the microphones were usable even outdoors, and they blocked out other noises from my conversations. Too bad they do not have noise cancellation for the playback, but for the price, it would not be implemented well either way. I could play music for about 4 hours non-stop by using Spotify, and the case holds 3 recharges in itself as well. In conclusion, I can only recommend them for their price and performance. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Good luck everyone.